The Mumbai Suburban Railway, the mass transit system that keeps maximum city on the move. The locals, as they are commonly referred to, are part of the Indian rail network and carry more than 72 lakh commuters on a daily basis. The system has the highest passenger density amongst urban railway networks anywhere in the world. Yet it has faced the maximum neglect from successive rail ministers. Today's local trains are in fact an offshoot of the first railway to be built by the British in India in 1853. That line ran between Victoria Terminus and Thane, a distance of 34 kilometers. More than a century and a half down the line, the same line is part of the mammoth 465-kilometer long Mumbai Suburban Rail System. But despite its importance as the principal mode of mass transport in the city, the locals are teetering on the edge. Mumbai's population boom has made frequent overcrowding a commuter's nightmare. Numerous safety concerns have been raised over the years, yet over a dozen people continue to die in accidents every day. Modernization is a distant dream, and finances and better facilities are almost impossible to come by. Year after year, rail budgets come and go.
Lalu Yadav has a planted fruit tree, and every year it is duty of mine to grow fruit tree.
इसके बाद रेल का कोई समस्या नहीं रहेगा.
Rail ministers change.
रोशनी चाँद से होता है, सितारों से नहीं. मोहब्बत कामयाबी से होता है, जुलूम से नहीं. Madam, with these words, I commend the railway budget 2009-10 to the House.
Still, nothing is done for the Mumbai locals or the people who depend on it for their daily bread.
अभी हम लोग बराबर 25-30 साल सफर करते हैं. जैसा मैं पहले सफर करता था कि अंदर घुसने के लिए तकलीफ जैसे पहले थी आज भी.
After years of Lalu Raj and Didi rule, this time it's a political lightweight who bears the onerous task of delivering a rail budget. Dinesh Trivedi would be hard-pressed to raise passenger fares and freight rates. But can the man deliver to Mumbai while working under the shadow of Mamata Banerjee? Would he be different or as indifferent to the needs of Mumbaikars as his predecessors? As Trivedi prepared his budget, I spent a significant amount of time traversing the locals and gauging the mood of the people and their demands from the new rail mantri.
आप कितने सालों से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं?
10 साल से.
कुछ बदला है?
कुछ भी नहीं बदले. जब फुल पीक आवर्स होता है उसमें सोचना पड़ता है हमको भाई कैसे चढ़े. 1-2 ट्रेन 5 ट्रेन छोड़नी पड़ती है क्योंकि काफ़ी रश रहती है. वो हिसाब से ट्रेन नहीं है.
What it has been happening is all the time is that we have been paying more, but then nothing is coming out of it. So it shouldn't happen that way that we are charged more and then wait for another 5 years.
ये जो वादा हुआ है कि नई रेल आने वाली है, जो खुली होगी, हवा होगी, आप देखते हैं अभी तक तो यहाँ पे इतनी इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं हुई है.
पब्लिक से टिकट बढ़ेगा तो चलेगा, लेकिन क्या है वो सुविधा मिलना मांगता है. ज़्यादा ज़्यादा पब्लिक लटक के आता है जो रिसेस आवर्स में. उसी टाइम कुछ तो योजनाएं बनाने मांगते हैं.
माशाल्लाह अभी किराया तो 5 साल से नहीं बढ़ा है, 6 साल से नहीं बढ़ा है. अगर किराया लेके बढ़ा के भी अगर लेते हैं, अगर सुविधा मिलती है तो कोई उसमें एतराज़ नहीं है.
ट्रेन को अच्छा करो और वक्त पे छोड़ो, इतना हमारे लिए काफ़ी है. फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ाओ, ये सब बातों में हम खुश हैं.
People in Bombay don't have much of time to think of all these things, you know. They say it's okay, चल रहा है यार, चल रहा है, वो बड़ी बात है. I mean people are having that sort of attitude, you know, because they are helpless.